Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like for more videos. Let's start now. Bitcoin. Well, it's because Bitcoin is the most used cryptocurrency to date, often referred to as the king of cryptocurrencies. The main goal of Bitcoin is to become global, peer-to-peer, digital cash, which is detached from any form of regulation and thus fully decentralized. An idea almost all other cryptocurrencies try to replicate. Bitcoin was also the first cryptocurrency, and there are still many that believe it will be the last one standing in the end. Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the best cryptocurrency to invest in and was the first major project to introduce smart contracts, allowing developers to launch desktop and mobile decentralized applications on the back of blockchain technology. Since then, Ethereum has remained one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies up until 2021, and it will probably stay that way for decades to come. Not just that, but Ethereum is also the second most liquid cryptocurrency, ranking right below Bitcoin. This means that you will have no issues with buying or selling Ethereum. Just like Bitcoin, there is always someone waiting on the other side of your trade to buy or sell Ethereum. One more reason to believe that Ethereum will remain a strong investment in the years to come is that it has a loyal team and community. This gives Ethereum a better chance of staying stable and only increasing in value in the long run. Cardano. Cardano has been a strong player since it entered the game back in 2015, and 2021 looks like it will be another strong year for this cryptocurrency. The key thing that stands out about Cardano is its Ouroboros blockchain, which is really two blockchains that work in tandem with each other. One blockchain deals with general, ordinary transactions, while the other handles smart contracts. The idea is that by separating the two, Cardano can ensure scalability and speed, as the two types of transactions will not slow each other down. But there's also a lot more going on with Cardano than first meets the eye. Cardano is a third-generation cryptocurrency that seems to be doing a lot of what Ethereum is already doing, but is already using a proof-of-stake algorithm, a move Ethereum has been planning for a long time. Litecoin. One of the main reasons to consider investing in Litecoin this year is its high liquidity and large market cap. If you want to avoid risks, stay away from coins with smaller market caps and communities, and go with cryptocurrencies like Litecoin. Why do we think Litecoin will explode this year and in the years to come? Well, there's a limited supply of 84 million coins and a block reward of 12.5 LTC, which is a very high block reward compared to other cryptos. Also, the average time to mine a block on the Litecoin blockchain is approximately 2 minutes, which is also faster than most other cryptos around today. BAT. BAT has been one of the hottest and best cryptocurrencies throughout 2018, 2019, 2020, and looks like it will continue the trend well into 2021. Basic Attention Token is a utility token that is utilized by the Brave browser. The BAT token is used to tip content creators, as well as virtually anyone you find helpful on the internet. It's a niche area that is ripe for the picking. You can choose how to tip them for any insightful information or content you receive. This has a lot of potential, as the web browser industry is quite enormous. Not just that, but users who watch ads can also get rewarded in BAT. This is an area yet to be explored and potentially could lead to a lot of new opportunities for both the end viewer and the Brave browser.